All right, people, welcome again to MG Sports TV. And today, so me just randomly scrolling down Twitter, and then I see a USA fan, very famous USA soccer fan, USA soccer fan, tactical manager. And let me just show you guys. First of all, people, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. These are the reasons why I thoroughly want Jamaica to thrash the USA. These are the things why I thoroughly want Jamaica to thrash the USA. And I'm going to be so disappointed if it doesn't. I'm going to show you exactly. Let me just bring it up on the screen. So on Twitter, this is what happened. Just look right here, people. Tactical manager this morning. Good morning. Today, the USMNT reserves of the reserves will face Jamaica's best in the Gold Cup. And he predicts USA to win 1-0. So, he's saying that, in generally, Jamaica is not even good enough. We're not even good enough to beat the USA reserve of the reserves. Can you imagine? The reserve people, the blatant disrespect. And a lot of time people said that the Jamaican fan base will love to disrespect other teams in the category. And I have to say, this is actually disrespectful as well. This is disrespectful as well. So he's saying that we're just totally not good enough. So when people see me come out and they say I'm overly confident, that's what they always say, I'm overly confident of Jamaica predicting a win. There's nothing wrong with me wanting my team to win. There's nothing. Look at this. This man recognized that they're putting out the reserves of the reserve, and he still predict them to win. But when when I predict Jamaica to win, it's a uproar. I'm just showing you guys that when you support your team, doesn't matter what the circumstances are. But at the end of the day, this is the reason why I want the Jamaica team, I want the Reggae Boyz to get the job done. I want to silence some of these USMNT fan base. They are so loud. They are so loud. Yes, at present moment, they are the top dons in the CONCACAF region. At this present moment, for many years, Mexico has been, and I haven't seen Mexico bragging and boasting like that. Maybe Mexico fan base was not socially active. But since these guys have generated a bit of pace where wins are concerned and trophies are concerned, my word, it has been non-stop trolling for the other nations. Non-stop trolling. Reggae Boyz, you must get this job done. Hey, I listen, I need this one here. This one is going to pain me. People, please remember that this is the scenery for the watch along. This is the scenery for the watch along later. Join us, people, in let's creating history in this Gold Cup. Join us in creating history in this World Cup, people. As you can see up here, 30,000 subscribers. We're running towards 30,000 subscribers, people. Please help us get there. Massive respect, people. Big up. And I'm going to say Jamaica 2, USA 0. Jamaica 2, USA 0. Big and bold. Big and bold. Big up, people. Massive respect. Anyways, hit the like button, share, subscribe. MG Sports TV. I'm out. Must beat them. Yeah? Them things that people, them big head.